Hey beautiful people, welcome back to How to Sing with RJ. Today I'm going to teach you how to stay on key while singing. One of the struggles that most singers face. Whether you're going off key, your voice is cracking, or you're sounding too sharp or flat, then today's video is going to fix it for you. Let's get right into it. Staying on key simply means singing the correct note of a song. So let's take for instance that the song you're singing is on note G and you're singing something else. Well, that means you are going off key. Now, the goal is to match the pitch of the song. Most singers rush into singing immediately, but the truth is that you have to hear the notes that you want to sing before singing it. Your ear controls your voice. So the better you're listening, the better your pitch. So in order for you to stay on key, you need to know how to listen correctly before singing. Now, humming helps you lock the correct pitch of a song before you open your mouth to sing. So, you're going to pick the first line of the song you want to sing, your song choice. So, pick that first line, then hum it. After humming it successfully, then open your mouth to sing the same way you hummed. It reduces mistakes by 50%, I promise. Now, this is one of my secret exercises. Pick any notes, pick any notes, then sing that note and hold for 3 seconds. Then you stop. After a while, try singing the same note again, exactly as it was. Then check with a piano app to see if you were correct. This helps you train your pitch memory so that you don't begin to wander off key. When you sing along with the original singer, your voice hides behind theirs. But when you sing with the backing vocal, then your voice is forced to stay on key because you can easily recognize when you're going off key. So find a song on YouTube that has a karaoke version and try singing it with the backing vocals. Practice consistently. If you keep going off key in a song, then it simply means that the section is too big. So what you're going to do is that you're going to break it down. Yes, you're going to break it down. Let's say pick a line, then master it. Now after you see that you master it, then pick another line and then sing it. Master it as well. Next, you're going to connect it, the first line and the second line. Connect it and sing together. So when you keep connecting them together and mastering it, this makes your pitch controlled and stable. Record yourself singing and then listen back immediately. Now, when you listen, you're going to notice the parts where you're going off key and where you're singing right. Now, when you listen and you notice where you're going wrong, you can adjust it immediately, then record again and see if you've gotten better. Now, this is one of the steps that singers take that helps them to sing better instantly. If you're still struggling with pitch, stop picking difficult songs because songs with big jumps can easily make you go off key. So start with easy songs. Then when you've mastered those easy songs, before you can start trying to take those other difficult songs. Now I'm going to list you some good beginner songs that you can try to help you stay on pitch. Now you can try Stay by Rihanna. You can try Someone Like You by Adele. You can try Love Don't Cost a Thing by J Lo. Then you can also try Jara by Omale. Now you're going to have to start small and then build confidence little by little. And that's how to stay on key while singing. If this video helped you, please do not fail to click on the like button, comment, share, and most of all, subscribe. Till the next video, guys. Bye bye.